Welcome back, everybody, to Funky Star TV News Time. Welcome once again. Today's news now about Raphael Owazurike and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The headline reads, "I have been wrong. I will never condemn Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na Raphael Owazurike Denyan." Everybody know who Raphael Owazurike be. And for those of you when not know who Raphael Owazurike be, Funky D will let them know today. Raphael Owazurike na the leader of the movement for the actualization of the sovereign state of Biafra. Okay? And like somebody when they drag ground with Nnamdi Kanu plus the other guy what they call Asari Dokubo. But today na Raphael Owazurike matter waiting in na him we go talk about. Alright? Raphael Owazurike, they blame the police boss, where they cast blame on the indigenous people of Biafra quickly without any investigation. There is one of the video I don't make before this one. I don't already ask the AK people, the army people, why then they quickly jump into conclusion by only hearsay without any thorough investigation. So the same thing na him Raphael Owazurike Denyan. Remember say Raphael Owazurike, everything when they happen in Biafran land, sometimes in the cast blame too on IPOB leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the IPOB group, including the ESM people. Remember, see some few months ago, Raphael Owazurike come see make Nnamdi Kanu handle the Eastern Security Network, go give the governors. When Eastern Security Network, when governors they sleep, and they sleep when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu roll, then come out. I don't tell them, I see, if not be Eastern Security Network today. That is why I always believe, see, now the living God, the creator of the heaven and earth, the creator of the whole universe, they speak to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the able leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. I believe that strongly. Very, very strongly. If not be the Eastern Security Network and the IPOB people, that Biafran land could have been already taken over by the invading terrorist Boko Haram, aka the herdsmen people. And in that video, when I tell you, I say I don't already make. When I go here, when they tell the Biafran people, make them they thank their God every morning because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB and the Eastern Security Network. Because now them be the savior of Biafran people, both the rich and the poor, young and the old. Now Mazi Nnamdi Kanu be truly the savior of Biafran people. By now, when me and on a day today they speak in a different tongue, now for the day they sing. For things when for they happen in Biafran land. The whole Northerners for on come take over Biafran land. The whole Biafran land, if not be ESM people. Because with the actions of the soldier men, you go know what they talk about right here. The actions of soldier men don't speak volume on waiting for happen to say ESN and the IPOB not they into existence in Biafran land. So Owazurike now don't come down from where he hang himself before. Una know say always we tell una say Owazurike na northern slave. Then plenty when come from Biafran land. Then plenty when the southeastern part of the country, southern part of the country, including southwestern part of the country. Everywhere the northerners plant their servants. In other words, saboteurs. When they make things not to work for their people. Saboteurs when they always work for the interest of the northern oligarchy. They fool everywhere in Nigeria, including Asari Dokubo and his goons. Are you telling me? A lot of them. So we go take a look the reason why when Owazurike don't come down from where he hang himself before. Because in the claim say in done dey wrong. Now so you talking. He said, I have been wrong. I will never condemn Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He speaks volume, ladies and gentlemen. So, before we bust into this news full time, make we still take a look on the issue of unity when we tell una before, most especially Owazurike. I know so Owazurike they listen to Funky D, just as the way when they listen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We don't call on many times to come together because division will not work, will not make anything work. If you and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu already cooperate, nothing good will come to that southeastern part of the country. Until when these people say, una dey in good times, una dey yarn well, una dey relate well, una dey plan things together, una united, na that time, the northerners go fear the southeastern part of the country. But now, they don't plant serious division among una. So why not you and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu combine together, come together, unite together, and fight out this Biafra? Because you know, say, one Nigeria no go ever work again. In fact, APC and PDP don't lost the grip of power in Nigeria. In other words, the power now belongs to the people of Nigeria full time before 2023. And beyond, it depends on how una plan the whole thing. The APC now, things when they happen in Nigeria, with the happenings in Nigeria, APC and PDP no say their own don't finish. Ability say they don't listen. Ability say they don't watch. Ability say they don't see. Then they see, then they watch, then no say, then get problem. APC people no say, then get problem. Bola Tinubu no say problem dey. Ohanaeze Ndigbo no say problem dey. Say this time around the youth already say, don't say no. So it depends on how una manager. You will see say Biafra go come to pass before 2023. Oduduwa come to pass before 2023. Because they know say they don't lost the power. They know say they don't lost the grip of that power. They not, then no. That is why somebody like Nyankasi come out last time and talk say people when they agitate about Biafra and Oduduwa say them be irritants. See, they are panicking. Aso Rock is panicking. Even today, that my Buhari wanna say they panic wherever in there. They know say they don't lose him. So it good make peace reign in Biafran land. Make Biafran people unite, including the Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Because this thing when army people they do. And Ohanaeze Ndigbo then quiet. Even though say that when they finish, they go turn back, go meet their caliphate people. We know that. We know them. The time when this thing go escalate, the time when this thing go get out of hand, they not go better past Biafran land. They not go better past Biafran land because that is what they not want to see Now the thing when the northern oligarchy people want to see. Now the thing when the northern cabas want to see, they want to see Biafran land destroyed. They want to see Biafran people killing Biafran people. God forbid back then. We don't want that. That is why Una got to come together and unite. Because the enemies, they hang one corner, they watch with torchlights. They watch Biafran land disintegrate. Then they watch war enter Biafran land. God forbid bad thing once again. So it is better Una unite. This one now, when it can be like say, Owazurike head, don't they come down small. So we know they say don't come down completely, because you know say these politicians when they Nigeria, they know they trust them. Remember, so Owazurike don't tell you say him na stakeholder in one Nigeria. I didn't say make you go ask Aso Rock people. Say them no. Everybody knows him na stakeholder. Now so he brag talking in front of camera. Just like the way Ganduji chucking billions and millions of dollars inside them Agbada pockets. Whereas enough he pay school fees. 30,000 naira, they not pay, but they're chucking billions. So, ladies and gentlemen, a good make peace reign, make unity come. Because now when unity come, this Biafra will be achievable. Now the same thing when Nana kind of the fight. According to Owazurike, na him Owazurike they fight for. According to what the news they always tell us. So why two of Nana Igbo guys, two of Nana come from Biafran land? Why two of Nana they divide? One don't say they fight for the same thing. It not make any sense. Since Owazurike knows saying they fight this, because we know saying Nana Kanu they ready to welcome anybody. They don't talk and say even though say you come from other states in Nigeria there. His hands are open to welcome you as a Biafra, no problem. Owazurike knows say if he come today within Nnamdi Kanu together, work together in peace and unity, not be all this kind of work, real working together, things go better. But due to his interest inside one Nigeria as a stakeholder, as in the Kabas groom and the Kabas, people when they go, a saboteur in Biafra, you know, go one time. But Funky D, they urge you right now, as you don't claim now, say you have been wrong publicly. Make you apologize to Nnamdi Kanu, or if you don't want to apologize to Nnamdi Kanu, just settle with Nnamdi Kanu, come together and fight this fight. Fight out this Biafra. People have been yearning for this Biafra for many years. They come up to today because of the same division. Now him make Biafra never stay come. Now him make this Biafra never stay come because of the same division and because of some saboteurs when they Biafra land. So make we read a little bit. Make we take conclude. Make we see how Owazurike talk see in the very wrong and in no go ever condemn Nnamdi Kanu. Okay. Ralph Owazurike, the leader of the movement for the actualization of the sovereign state of Biafra, has berated the Nigerian police boss for casting blames on indigenous people of Biafra quickly without thorough investigation. Now the thing went from Kidi Day, his platform, they tell him all the time. Why police or army will just quickly jump into conclusion without no investigation, no exhibit on ground, nothing. Every time the same. You will recall that the Imo State prison was broken into, which led to the freedom of over 1,806 prisoners. Not up to 2 hours of the attack, the Nigerian police released a statement casting IPOB to be behind the attack. Although the indigenous people of Biafra has washed its hands, saying they never engineered the attack and has always been a peaceful organization. Ralph Uwazurike, who appeared on BBC News Pidgin, said he has been wrong thinking that there is security in the southeast, but this incident made him to rethink and appreciate the Eastern Security Network formation while berating the Nigerian police and intelligence agencies of being incompetent. He also noted that it was premature to pinpoint a peaceful group, IPOB, for carrying out the freedom attack on the Nigerian prison in Imo State. So, supposing after investigation you then discover it was not IPOB, what will the Nigerian police do? It is very premature to point them without investigation. Up to 100 unknown gunmen came into Owerri. Where they were planning it, nobody knew. The DSS don't get any intelligence. What are they even working? The conspiracy was carried out and no one knew about. They came into Owerri, attacked prison service, sacked state CID. God save us. They didn't carry your governor, Hope Uzodinma. It was expecting the Nigerian police boss and the Nigerian intelligence agency boss to resign for their incompetence. Ralph Uwazurike also berated Nigerian President Muhammadu Buhari for not giving order to killer of Ebonyi people and more. Una see the point when this man Uwazurike don't make. He makes real points. Now him, the man, make. So now, the issue of the carrying of the governor, I want to point something out there because I don't tell you before. Before that coronavirus, when before Abba carried death, he get some videos when I make then that time when I come to tell you, see the Boko Haram people say they go invade Aso Rock. Say unknown people, some set of people, some terrorist people, then go invade Aso Rock and sit down there as president of Nigeria. Today, now the same thing won't happen. The Meati Allah people, now then they there till tomorrow they control Nigerian people with Garba Shehu. With Garba Shehu as the president of Nigeria. I don't tell them all these things before. The kidnapping of governors, that one is coming. All the whole governors, when we say the thing whether they do, say Nahim be the best to them, not be to Nigerian people, because they're not only their interest they know. Watch out. A day they come, when we begin here say, they kidnap governors. They kidnap this governor, then kidnap that governor, and kidnap that governor, then kidnap this governor. I don't tell them, I say, the reason why all these things they happen, now because see, the governors, they know they do their job. Now, Uwazurike they tell them, now say, police know they do their job, we expect them to resign because they don't know what they do. Hope Uzodinma myself not they doing job. That one not be governor. We know say Hope Uzodinma not be governor of any states. The same Agbari minds, the same strong mind when the Meati Allah people take the Aso Rock. Now so Hope Uzodinma take hijack Imo State people, and Imo State people, you are to blame about Hope Uzodinma being your governor. So ladies and gentlemen, governors who are not they left out for this insecurity matter. Now if you see you get 1 million security, they know if it attack you. Look at what happened to Governor Autumn recently. So now if you see you deceive as you they laugh, because we know say they laugh that they laugh at Nigerian people because they are governors. If you see their securities can save them anytime, nothing they happen. Brother, you lie to yourself. Something they happen. So ladies and gentlemen, I don't hear what Uwazurike talk about Nnamdi Kanu, and I don't hear what we don't advise them to do as in bringing unity within themselves to work together to actualize the sovereign state of Biafra. Not be bad thing. Biafra come, on a fit settle with on one settle. But for now, make una come together. Pompousness, not they bring any good thing, not they yield any good fruit. So, ladies and gentlemen, I say now here I will stop. If you know say you never subscribe to Funky D before, please do follow us, subscribe. Bye everybody, and see you guys next time. Tell us what you think about this Owazuri case. Comments.